What if you had a simple formula anyone could follow that virtually guarantees the effectiveness of your marketing? And what if you were able to quickly look at any marketing message, whether your website, video, email, social media post, or anything else, and know with certainty what was missing and how to fix it? Marketing never again has to be a mystery to you, because you're about to discover a proven formula for putting together authentic marketing messages that resonate with your ideal buyers. My name is Terry Dean, and I've helped small business owners multiply their incomes while working less hours and making a difference in the world around them for over 2 decades now. My clients come from all backgrounds and industries, including information publishers, coaches, consultants, e-commerce, CPAs, chiropractors, financial advisors, ministers, restaurateurs, travel agents, software programmers, and even affiliates who make an income at home while selling other people's products and services. Whether the client was bootstrapping their first website from their kitchen table, or they had an 8-figure and growing business, they came to me because they wanted to sell more of their products and services, more often, for more money, without compromising their values. Because let's face it, it's tough to cut through the noise today. The average person sees between 4,000 and 10,000 marketing messages each day. At the same time, the cost of advertising continues to multiply. And no matter where you turn, it seems like we're bombarded with marketing on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, podcasts, blogs, and more. Your competition is not going away. It's only going to continue to multiply every year. You may have even felt the pressure on your prices as others seek to turn you into another low-price commodity. Bottom line, if you're going to succeed in today's tough business environment, you must reach your target buying audience by sharing a clear message with impact. Speak to your ideal clients in their language. Show you have true empathy for their pains, their problems, and their desires. And if you're like my clients, you want to do it all without feeling fake, manipulative, or full of hype. The good news is that real marketing is simply sharing an honest message with clarity. A good marketing message that attracts your ideal customers and clients isn't about you. It's about them. It's not about selling anyone. That's a misnomer in today's information-rich environment. Your customers and clients have a wealth of information about you, your competition, and all the other options available at a few clicks of a button. It's about serving them instead of selling them. My unique formula helps you serve your audience while attracting your ideal buyers consistently and cost-effectively. Stop selling at your audience and connect with buyers on a deeper, more emotional level. Tap into honest persuasion instead of manipulation and hype. Speak with your customers in their own language. Marketing today isn't about being a whiz with words. Instead, it's about a much more valuable skill. It's about listening to your audience. And once you understand these simple principles and just how easy they are to follow, your website practically writes itself. Imagine having a website that converts visitors into sales consistently, more effectively than your most successful competitors. Imagine running ads on Facebook and Google that attract more buyers at lower cost. Imagine emails, videos, and every other form of communication instantly becomes more profitable to you. Great marketing is the ultimate leverage. Earn more with every message you send. What if you had 2 times, 5 times, or even 10 times the results on everything you're already doing? It would give you the freedom to scale your business faster, enjoy the fruits of your labor, and impact a much larger audience with your message. I've developed, tested, and refined this system with thousands of customers and clients since 1996. It's close to the point now where it turns persuasion into a science. For example, a potential client emailed me a link to his website and asked me if I could help him. I took a quick look at his website and knew the answer. In my email reply, I suggested one simple change to his website based on the formula. He made that adjustment and his sales doubled. Another client and I discussed his website redesign. We put together his new message based on the formula and created a framework for his designer to follow. The end result was an extra $60,000 a month from his already successful website. Another client had a successful and profitable business, but he wasn't happy. It didn't align with who he was on the inside, and it made him miserable. We changed his message and eliminated the hype that made him uncomfortable. He saw even better conversion while finally sleeping well at night and living a life he loves. And that's just the beginning of what this could do for you. We wouldn't have time to cover even a small portion of the ad campaigns which have been turned around using the formula. Clients went from campaigns that were failing to earning 3 to 1 or even 10 to 1 on their ad spend. Earning back $10 for every dollar you invest in advertising isn't normal, even for the formula. In fact, none of these examples are normal, and you shouldn't expect such dramatic changes in your business overnight. But you can see your results transformed. And in most businesses, earning $3 for every dollar invested in ads would allow you to grow your business with confidence. My Golden Glove Persuasion Map is the result of decades of online marketing experience and thousands of tests in hundreds of different markets. It's so easy to use that you can put the core formula into practice within the first hour of hearing it. There's nothing else like this, with such simplicity at its core, but so many applications that influence and multiply the profits of everything that you do in business. Once you follow the system for your first offer, you can easily adapt it to anything else you want to sell, now or in the future. The first module shares my proven 5-step formula for clarifying your message, connecting with empathy, and attracting your ideal clients. Module number 2 is jam-packed with examples, including 6 unique ways you can use the Golden Glove to review your website, create a new offer from scratch, reverse engineer your toughest competitors, write more persuasive emails, create video scripts that sell, and design new ads. The third module builds on the Golden Glove with my info copy profit map. Many of my clients are in the expert market, where they sell courses or coaching. You'll get my expanded 13-step formula that's specifically designed to sell courses, memberships, and coaching like crazy. This module also dives deeper into writing stories that sell, creating mouth-watering bullets, and longer copy websites. And the main course is just the beginning. You also get multiple bonuses just for giving it a try. You get the 66-page Golden Glove implementation guide that covers the entire system in depth. You also get these special reports. You get the client x-ray, how to tap into your ideal client's exact buying language and deep emotional triggers. You get magic bullets. These are my step-by-step templates for creating mouth-watering bullets and copy. You get irresistible offers, 8-step formula to create offers only a fool could ignore. You get the cure for proof hiding disease, 30+ ways to add more proof and credibility to your offers. You get storytelling code, how to clarify, inspire, and sell with heart-to-heart communication. And you get PDFs of all the slides in the 3 main modules for the course to give you easy reference. By now, you may be wondering, what's your investment for all of this? I've sold previous versions of this same formula for $995. But as a part of my commitment to serving my clients and making a difference in the world, I'm going to make this as affordable as possible. You get everything in the Golden Glove Persuasion Map for just $99. You could spend more than that on a dinner out. In addition, I want you to feel 100% confident in your investment, so I'm going to back it up with my 10x full money back guarantee. Put the formula to the test. Go through the course. Use the fill-in-the-blank PDFs. Create an enticing new message for your business. If you don't agree that the Golden Glove Persuasion Map is worth at least 10 times what you paid for it, simply contact my support ticket system and ask for a full refund of everything you paid anytime in the next 30 days. The bonus guides are my gift to you, even if you ask for your money back. Use my proven formula to create a message that resonates with your ideal clients. Experience confidence and certainty. Create marketing that works for you consistently and affordably. Communicate with your customers and clients in their language. Demonstrate empathy. Make it easy to refer you to others. Stop being a commodity. And finally, charge what you're worth. Put the Golden Glove Persuasion Map into practice today. You have 0 risk because you're backed by my full money back guarantee for the next 30 days. Click the order button below now.